Shiatsu massage techniques. Single thumb pressing. Apply single thumb pressing with the thumb of either right or left hand. Make sure to apply pressure at the ball of the thumb and not the joint. Double thumb pressing. Apply pressure with both thumbs simultaneously. Thumb over thumb pressing. Apply pressure simultaneously with equal pressure of both thumbs. Precaution on applying pressure on erector spinae and kidney. Alternate thumb pressing. The thumbs are placed aligned with their tips, almost touching, and press alternately as they progress along the line. Single palm pressing. Applying pressure using one palm of either the right or left hand. Double palm pressing. Uses the palm of both hands, applying pressure simultaneously. Palm over palm pressing. Applying pressure simultaneously using both palms of hands with one on top of the other hand.